Samsung rolls out a more luxurious version of its Z Fold lineup exclusively for China. The company just unveiled the Samsung W26, a reworked version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with golden accents all around the phone. The W26 features an armored aluminum frame and a new hinge design that makes the foldable slim and trim. It measures just 4.2 mm thick when unfolded and 8.9 mm when folded, matching the Fold 7's 215-gram weight. It's available in two finishes, Donchi Red and Xianyao Black. This thing is no different than Fold 7. It comes loaded with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and Android 16 based One UI 8 available in a 16GB RAM variant paired with 512GB or 1 TB storage. The foldable features a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch Inner AMOLED screen, both supporting 120Hz LTPO refresh rates. The W26 inherits the 50MP f/1.8 main sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, 10MP selfie camera on the outer display, and a 4MP under-display sensor inside. Powering it all is a 4,400 mAh battery with 25W wired charging. Again, the Samsung W26 starts at 16,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.